Good day, good day, good day. How's it going here? Where am I? I got to find out where I am. Here I am. There I am. Look at that. Oh, here's the back of me. Look at that. There I am. Oh, look at that. Video feedback all the way through. Anyways, Pat Hamer here. YouTube sensation with the finger in the saw. This was the finger I put in there, by the way. That one right there. It's the middle one, yeah. But it didn't do nothing. Look. Nothing wrong with my finger. I have super fingers, okay? Faster than a speeding blade, able to come back. I've hit it twice with a saw, a table saw, and then I bought the saw stop, and now I can hit it as many times as I want. I don't even have to worry about it. So as I get older, my reflexes probably get a little slower, although at 62, I'm just as quick as I was at 22, so there you go. Except for that back issue that's almost gone away now. Now, anyways, I don't know what you've been told, but I'm getting kind of old. Let's see, that was a poet that I didn't know it. Well, let's go to this camera here, right here. Yeah, there we go. Hey, how's it going? All right, so I'm looking for I'm looking for this guy. Yeah, all right, cool. All right, so I end up meeting this guy. Basically, I'm going to today. I'm up in the Sierra Nevadas, and I'm going to rendezvous. That's right, I said rendezvous. I'm going to rendezvous with, oh, look at this, my microphone over here, my stereophonic sound here is shifting on me. So anyways, I'm going to meet with Mars today. I'm going to rendezvous with Mars. And for those of you who don't know who that is, well, he's a guy I met, and we're going to take a look at who this guy is right here. And and this is basically, that's Mars right there. You see Mars shrinking up and the eagle fly out of Mars. This is kind of fun. I have a degree in graphic communication, so I met this guy Mars, and I thought, oh my God, look at this. Okay, so there's Mars. Look at right here. Doesn't that kind of look like the silhouette of a bird? You know, like if it was way far up in the sky and a shadow was, you know, kind of vague through the clouds, through the fog, a little bit of shadow of a bird flying, right? That's what that reminded me. So I got my graphic skills out, and I did an animated GIF. And so, well, here, let's see. I guess I can't slow it down unless I bring it into Photoshop or whatever. But see that? I got Mars there, you know, his name is Mars. And so the planet shrinks down. Boom, there goes that bird flying away before it gets squished in the planet. And then there's his drone. So we're going to go meet at a secret location. We're going to go meet at a secret location. And Mars is a licensed UAV pilot, owns a school. Matter of fact, he just bought. He's just got. We're going to a secret rendezvous to map out. I might do some excavation work for him, and give him a bid, give him a price. But anyways, he's a great guy. Enjoy doing stuff with him. He bought a metal detector like mine, a GPZ 7000, and I wish it was only 7,000, but it's a little more than that. So there's a reason for that. There's only about they're 40% more efficient than any metal detector. So where everybody's already been, we're going to go back and clean up. What did Cortez say? Was it Cortez? Yeah, he said, we Spaniards have a disease only gold can cure. And then he burnt all his ships and made those guys destroy the whole Incan civilization and all that good stuff. But we're not going to do that. We're just gonna go look for little nuggets, and we're gonna not harm anything. You know, we're gonna put the dirt back where it was, and all that good stuff. And so you're looking at my property right there too. Mars is on my ranch, and he's flying this huge drone. Probably, let's see. Give it a. What we got here? Oh, there it is. Here we go. Oh, hang on a second. Here's this drone. Now this, I'm demonstrating my. Anyway, I'm demonstrating my SG1 Ultra, S21 Ultra. See that? There's a little drone up there. Okay. And that's how good my camera is. It zoomed in on the afterburner, and then I just wanted to show everybody how good that was. And so Anyway, I got to get in my truck. I got to meet him up there. It takes me 47 minutes to get to where we're going, to a secret location. There's one of his jets. And, you know, I've got it zoomed in like 120 power. So, anyway, there's some other, what am I doing there? Oh, yeah, I'm looking for him. I'm just all over the place. So anyways, I'm going to, okay, so there's a huge storm coming in here. Look at this, storm advisory. Click on this thing here. And, okay, so, winter storm warning. Winter storm warning, look at that. Am I on? Am I on? Yeah, winter storm warning right there. And, so it could, get a bunch of snow all the way through, Sunday and maybe Monday. And so we're heading up into the high country where this winter storm warning is. And, hopefully we come back, and you'll know that. You'll be the first to know. And, thanks for watching this video, and I hope we come back and are able to finish it. But, anyways, I'll talk to you all later. Signing off. Au revoir, as they say in France, right? Frenchy? Yes, sir. Let's see, I'm going to get back over there. Turn this bad baby off. It's my, my dude.